स्टेटमेंट हेल्थ मिनिस्टर बा विश्वजीत राणे हांणी जो केल्लो आहा की ऑक्सिजना खातीर लोक मरता म्हण एक सामको शॉकाचो स्टेटमेंट जावन आसा. तें जाल्यार कोणाचो जो हेड ऑफ द हेल्थ अफेर्स इन द स्टेट एक स्टेट हेडांतल्यान असलो स्टेटमेंट येवप म्हळ्यार एक इट्स अ मॅटर ऑफ बिग कन्सर्न एक्चुअली basically. And if it is true, then I feel that the government should act and rectify whatever abnormalities are there by which, on account of which these deaths are taking place on account of oxygen. And why I am saying it's a matter of big concern is that the government, it's a responsibility of the government to give confidence to the people that once they are admitted, they are in safe hands. All through we have been seeing that everybody is raising issues regarding the shortcomings, and it is developing fear in the minds of the people, which is very scary actually. And for that reason I feel that the confidence of the people, building up of the confidence of the people is much more important than sort of coming up with such statements. So for that matter I request, I appeal to all organizations, if possible, to come together. In every practical constituency, in every constituency, there is some institution or the other. Take help of them and put up some centers to take care of the cases with mild symptoms. These are the most important measures that can be taken, because today with this scenario of uncertainty, of fear, there are people who are not even going for tests, fearing that they will end up in hospitals, and that is aggravating the situation. Coordinate with the local bodies, with the health department, with the hospitals or centers that are having these tests. Identify your constituents and set up some centers where these mild cases can be taken care of, and within 7 to 10 days they get cured. Today we complain that many people who are under home isolation are roaming around. There are instances which come to our notice that the whole family is infected, and one person has to go out to get the other basic necessities. So all these issues come up. So for this reason, I appeal to all the people, all the organizations, all the political organizations to come together, work out with an institution in your constituency, and try to set up small centers where mild infected cases, mild symptoms, cases with mild symptoms can be tackled and can be treated, and they can be out of danger within a short time. And as far as Vishwajit's statement, again I'm coming to that statement, that the government should immediately rectify, if at all, any such issues are there with regard to oxygen supply causing deaths. Because today the people who are admitted in the hospitals may have that fear psychosis within their own minds within the hospital premises. For that reason, please rectify any such abnormalities which may exist, and at the same time, even more inputs that we are getting from certain staff within the hospitals is that other this thing which I, on my personal level, I am in touch with certain authorities, and I prefer to address it to them directly, and I hope that they will be addressed in properly, and if possible even training for the staff that is in this in the hospitals, in the health COVID centers, because that training also is required to how they should tackle, because most of the staff are new staff recruited from private nursing homes and all that. So this staff requires proper training so that they can handle such situations in the event of some shortcomings, sudden shortcomings. Thank you.